Okay, nuclear decay. I'm gonna talk about nuclear radiation and what the equation for nuclear decay and what the half-life graphs look like and what fusion and fission mean. Nuclear radiation, it's when a nucleus is unstable, which gives out radiation, and sometimes the nucleus loses energy, so it gives out the radiation. Nuclear radiation classified as alpha, beta, and gamma. And alpha can be stopped using thin paper, beta can be stopped using a few millimeter solid matter, such as metal, where gamma is stopped using a few centimeter of dense metal. Background radiation. Background radiation is usually the radiation around us, and it's usually not harmed. And to detect background radiation, you would need to use GM tube, where the radiation goes into the tube and hits one of the atom in the tube and gives out electron, and the electron goes into the wire inside the GM tube, which gives the current, and this current gives the the amount of radiation there are. There is equation for nuclear decay, which is the activity, where activity equals to minus lambda, and where the lambda is actually mean decay constant, and lambda is equals to ln2 divided by half-life, and this is one of the equation for a number of nuclei. The half-life graphs, it looks like this. They look like this, and as you can see, at first the number of nuclei decayed really fast, but as the time goes by, it becomes the number of nuclei decay decreases, and it takes a lot of time to be able to decay. Nuclear decay is actually a random process, and this is because we cannot predict which one is going to decay first, and we don't know when it is going to decay. And what is a mass defect? A mass defect, it is the difference mass between the something. It is the mass of any nucleus is slightly less than the total mass of the separate nucleons, which is the difference. It's called the mass defect. Binding energy, it is the lost energy when separate nucleons become bound together to a form nucleus. And this is the equation, which is equals to mass times to the speed of light square. What's a fusion? Fusion is when two light nuclei undergo fusion, joined to make a single nucleus, where the fission involves a heavy nucleus splitting to form two lighter nuclei. Okay, that is it. Thank you very much. Hiya.